if this is just the beginning, what comes next is something completely unprecedented. So 2025 was probably the last normal year. I see two things really coming together this year. The first is the extreme takeoff in terms of capability, what these frontier models are actually able to do. And then the second is the intense geopolitical competition that is driving the market and that is fundamentally, in my view, reshaping the balance of power globally. So you have increasing capability, increasing competition. What that translates to in the real world in terms of intelligence factories is expect bigger clusters, expect more capital investment, expect more competition, expect the stealing and distilling of these capabilities as it becomes the number one issue in terms of sovereignty and national security, and new alliances as this most fundamental, vital resource of non-biological intelligence is scaled in the intelligence factories, but will also have a transformational impact on security and the economics of what happens next.